Number 2, on the set of axes below, graph the following system of inequalities. So from the calculator, we want to, from our home page, home, new, add graphs, right? We're going to graph this to figure it out so we can plot it. Okay, so from here, we want to delete. And because none of these are options, we want relation. Type it in, 2y plus 3x. And then we want to hit the control equal sign for these symbols here. And this one is the right one, 14. Bam. So it's this blue area, all the solutions, even on the line. And now we want a new one, new inequality to add. So 4x minus y. And then hit this control equal sign again. And this time we want to pick the right one. It's this one, 2. And that's the red. So notice that this blue one is a solid line, right? That's because of this right here. And that means any points on this line are solutions to this inequality. Well, look at the red one. It's dotted, right? And notice there's no line. That indicates any points on this line, this dotted line, are not solutions to this red problem. To that problem, 4x minus y. So lesson 2. So we want to graph these on here. So we want to go menu, 5, trace step 3. We want to make sure this is 1. That means every movement we do is 1 instead of just a random number when we do trace. So menu, trace, graph trace. Notice this is blue. That means we're on the blue inequality here. Also says 1. That's the blue first one. Okay, so we want lattice points. That means whole numbers, so we can easily graph this, right? 0, 7. So 0 is x, and then 7, y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blue, bam. Okay, and then we want to push over, right? 2, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 1. So 4 over 1. 6, negative 2. 4, 5, 6. Negative 2. 8, negative 5. 2 more. And negative 5. 3, 4, 5. And 10, negative 8. Right here. And then on the other side, right, we want to continue. Make sure it covers as much points as we can put on here. So I noticed one of these points got misplaced. This one right here needs to be down one more. Oops, I did it again. Okay. There we go. Okay, and now we want negative 2, 10 on the other side. 1, 2, 10. Okay. Excellent. And now we want to do our next graph. So here, to get on the other inequality, we push up, and it gives us negative 2, 10. So 1, 2, 10's all the way at the bottom. And then we want to just negative 1, 6. So negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 1, negative 6. And then keep on moving. Next step, 0. Negative 2. Next step, 1, 2. Next step, 2, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 10. 3, 10. Okay, and now we want to draw our lines. We didn't want to do it before because, oh, maybe we could have done it before. Draw a line for blue, right? Bam, make sure it goes all the way off the graph. Showing it's continuous. Put these arrows at the end. And then for the red, remember that is a dotted line. Dotted. But we can, if you want, put kind of a little, don't completely connect them. You can put like little kind of lines in between to see. A little easier to see where it covers. And now we want to label some of these dots and put our lines in. So for the lines, right, they're all, both of them are to the left. The shaded areas to the left. You don't want to just scribble shading. You want to put nice lines covering the whole area. So like so. Label your points. I labeled at least the y-axis, and if you had some to the x, at least label those. Now put an S for solution into the area that is solution, right? Easily explained. And now the question is, determine if the point 1, 2 is in the solution set. The solution says the area that's shaded twice. So 1, 2. So 1 over 2 looks like this spot right here. 1, 2. Right on this red dot is not going to be a solution. It looks like it's a solution for the first equation, 2y plus 3x, or I should say inequality, 2y plus 3x, but it is not for the second inequality because it's right on the line. And because it's dotted and it does not have a line right here, it is not a solution for that inequality. So yes, as we say, we write it down, not a solution for the inequality 4x minus y is less than 2. Also label your graphs, and we are done. Thank you.